Hello, this is Jason from Technology Services. In this video, we're going to highlight Falcon World. Falcon World is starting to expand. We've added another module to it. So to get into Falcon World, we open our favorite browser and go to https://falconworld.clsd.k12.pa.us. The sign-in page should look very familiar. Again, use the same credentials that you use to log into your laptop. Simply click Sign In, and now it brings you to a new dashboard. This is a work in progress. As we continue to add more and more modules on, we will open up a new dynamic dashboard with selectable widgets. This will be coming, and you'll see email announcements about this as they are added onto the system. So once into this dashboard, now you can select either the Falcon Flex Kingdom or the Curriculum Kingdom. We'll continue to add more modules throughout the summer. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Technology Services and we'll be able to help you. Thank you and have a great day.